Meet Maslow, a $500 4x8-foot CNC machine kit. We created Maslow with the help of an open source community from around the world. Maslow's upright design, just 30 inches deep, allows it to fit many places traditional CNC machines would not, and it cuts 4x8-foot materials in their native format. Since Maslow comes as a kit, it's cheap to ship anywhere in the world. Maslow has been used to make just about anything you can imagine. So far, Maslow users have made everything from furniture to art. We even built a tiny house using Maslow last year. Although we were initially met with skepticism, in 2016 we ran a successful Kickstarter campaign for Maslow. Since then, our project and community have continued to develop, and we've donated machines to over 100 schools and makerspaces, all while maintaining the original Kickstarter price. Maslow is a powerful, special tool for many reasons. It allows people the opportunity to collaborate digitally, it's relatively easy to assemble and use, inclusive due to its low cost, and more accurate than a person using power tools. For $410, you get everything you need to build and operate Maslow, except for 2 bricks, the router, and the wood for the frame. Maslow's free software works with any computer, Mac, Windows, or Linux. As always, we're an open source project and have no patents on Maslow. All information and software is free for download through our website. We also have a project site where you can share and collaborate on open source designs. We want you to contribute to our community too. Visit MaslowCNC.com to order your Maslow today. Thanks for watching.